How to change cover photo in CapCut PC. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to change cover image for your video in CapCut. After you open the CapCut like this, now if you want to change the cover photo, click on this cover. After you click on this cover, so there is two options to change the cover photo. So the first one, it says select from video. So select from video means that here's now your video in the timeline. You can go through the video. So if you go through the video, if you click on each movement of the video, the image of that movement will appear in this site. So when the image of the movement appear, if you like want to use that movement for your video, let's say I want to use this movement. If I click this one, so the image of this site, this movement has appeared. This, if I want to use it, I'll just tap on this edit button. From there, it will allow me to use it. But if I want to just upload an image from my PC to use it as a cover photo to my video, just tap on this local button. So here it will, if you tap on site, so now it will take you to your PC. So now it will allow you now to go to your PC and select a specific image to use for your cover photo. So after you select the picture, so let's say I want to use now a picture. If you want to add something to the picture like filter or image, or if you want to just add something, here are all different editing tools that CapCut gives you to add for your for your cover photo. So if you don't want to add anything, just tap on this save button. So after you click on the edit, after you click on the save, so as you can see now it has this as a cover photo for my video. So if you click on if you just go on the image on the cover section, as you can see now, so it will give you the preview of the image on your screen like this one. So now if you export your video, this image will be a cover photo for your video. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps. Thanks for watching.